Hi, Dino here. Let's take a look at how to grow Japanese holly fern.
The holly fern is a standout plant for any garden seeking year-round vibrancy. Known scientifically as Cyrtomium falcatum, this evergreen fern captivates. Its holly-like fronds can add a unique texture and form to your garden landscape. Thriving in dappled light, similar to found at its natural forest floor environment, this fern flourishes in cool shaded areas. It is resilient, being adaptable to a variety of soil conditions, and can withstand cold temperatures down to USDA Zone 6 and RHS hardness of age 5. Simple to care for, it requires soil that's consistently moist but has good drainage. Indeed, water imbalance is the key for its flourishing. This fern is more than just a pretty face, it's a living piece of history, having reproductive spores underscoring a lineage that dates back millennia. In the garden, the holly fern is a beacon of lushness, its glossy leaves playing in the light, creating a dynamic visual effect. This plant is an unassuming, yet striking choice, enabling a garden that remains lively and full of charm, regardless of the season. The holly fern is a superb choice for enhancing the gardens of plant lovers everywhere. It has minimal care requirements, yet provides a majestic visual appeal, ensuring that your garden's beauty is effortless yet stunning.
All I'd like you to do, please subscribe to Japanese HQ. Come on now, take the chance.